Morning, and the US President Donald Trump has confirmed that the United States has captured the Venezuelan leader Nicolas Maduro and flown him out of the country after a series of airstrikes inside the country. Sources inside the opposition have told Sky News they believe the capture was what they're calling a negotiated exit. In a Truth Social post, Donald Trump wrote this: "The United States of America has successfully carried out a large..."
Breaking news is unfolding with global implications. United States President has made a stunning claim about a major move involving Venezuela, alleging the capture of the country's sitting leader and his wife. The announcement has sent shockwaves across diplomatic circles, but key details remain unclear and independent confirmation is still pending. No official responses have yet emerged, raising urgent questions about what is fact, what is claim, and what this could mean for regional stability. Stay with us as this developing story continues.
The United States President on Tuesday made a dramatic announcement, claiming that the President of Venezuela and his wife have been captured in what was described as a decisive action against the Caracas government. The claim, delivered publicly and without accompanying evidence, has not been independently verified at the time of reporting and remains unconfirmed by authorities in Washington, Caracas, or international organizations. The statement was issued through a public platform associated with the United States President, who framed the alleged development as a turning point after years of confrontation between the United States and Venezuela. No details were provided regarding the location of the alleged capture, the forces involved, or the legal basis under which such an operation would have occurred. No official documents, photographs, or third-party confirmations were released alongside the announcement, leaving the claim in the realm of assertion rather than established fact. Venezuela has been governed for more than a decade by its current leadership during a period marked by economic collapse, international sanctions, political unrest, and large-scale migration. Relations between the United States and Venezuela have long been hostile, shaped by sanctions, diplomatic isolation, and disputes over elections and governance. Washington has repeatedly accused the Venezuelan government of undermining democratic institutions, while Caracas has rejected those accusations, arguing that external pressure violates national sovereignty. Tensions intensified during previous periods of heightened confrontation, when economic measures were expanded and diplomatic efforts were aimed at isolating the Venezuelan leadership on the global stage. Even in that context, the confirmed capture of a sitting head of state would represent a historic escalation. Such an action would go far beyond sanctions or diplomatic pressure and would immediately raise serious legal, political, and security concerns at both regional and international levels. As of publication, there has been no confirmation from the current United States President, defense institutions, or federal authorities supporting the claim. Venezuelan state bodies have not issued any statement acknowledging or denying that such an event has taken place. International observers, regional governments, and multilateral organizations have also remained silent, underscoring the lack of verified information surrounding the announcement. If the claim were to be confirmed, the implications would be far-reaching. The detention of a sitting president could destabilize Latin America, trigger emergency diplomatic responses, and lead to urgent debates at international forums over sovereignty and international law. It could also have economic consequences, particularly in global energy markets, given Venezuela's significant oil reserves and its role in international supply chains. Such a development would be unprecedented and deeply controversial. The capture of a head of state outside an established international judicial process would challenge long-standing diplomatic norms and could set a powerful precedent for future international conflicts. Within Venezuela, it could intensify political divisions, provoke unrest, or create uncertainty within state and security institutions already under strain. Analysts urge caution, emphasizing that claims of this magnitude require independent verification before conclusions can be drawn. Past disputes involving Venezuela have often been accompanied by competing narratives, strategic messaging, and misinformation, making it essential to clearly distinguish confirmed facts from political claims. The situation remains fluid, and official responses are expected as governments and institutions seek clarity. Until credible confirmation emerges, the announcement should be treated as unverified. Further updates are expected as more information becomes available.